Ladies and gentlemen, the video is about getting rid of suspicious pop-up windows that come from the website Aboutcausepiece-3.live. Sometimes while browsing the web, you may unexpectedly see these alerts that tell that you are today's lucky visitor and that you have a chance of winning some exceptional prize. For instance, iPhone or Samsung phone or some gift card by certain online store. By the way, these pop-ups may be formalized in various languages, English, German, French, and this one in particular is in Russian. However, the contents by these pop-ups are really very similar. They tell that to win that supposed prize, you are about to pass this survey. The questions raised in this survey are very primitive. They don't require much knowledge to answer. And at the end of this so-called survey, you will be told to provide your personal details, such as your name, surname, email address, and so on. I strongly urge you not to provide any of your private details through these pop-ups, because this is very dangerous. Because of that, your computer may be infected by spam that may be sent to your email accounts, or because of this website Aboutcausepiece-3.live, you may be forwarded to some other unfamiliar and even dangerous pages in the internet. So disregard these pop-ups. I recommend that you carefully examine your Mac computer automatically with Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus specifically for Mac. Get it on this page, combocleaner.com. This is the way the program looks like. It's initially in the trial mode, however, it has got some free features such as disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. As for the antivirus, it's the part of the premium license, but the program will anyway perform free scanning of your Mac, and at the end of scan, the complete report about your Mac will be given. The scanning may last at least several minutes. You are strongly advised to wait until the scanning is completed to see the detailed report about your Mac. And by the way, Combo Cleaner will give you the exact location of each specific thread. So let's suppose that the scanning is ended. We may click on review results, and we may actually click on some specific detected item and find its location, and now we may remove this thread manually for free or automatically, but with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program has performed the free research of Mac computer, and at the end of scan, some threads were found. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. This is the detailed report about the location of each specific thread in your Mac. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you its exact location in Finder. After that, you may remove each specific thread manually, so one thread at a time. And this is the free way to remove threads manually from your Mac computer. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threads automatically.